Model 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC with roof rack Sportive 27001.6 CDTI L1H1 spares OR repairs aircon grin bargain. Body silver, panel van. Mileage 186095. MOT the 5th of September 2024. Engine 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Van runs completely fine. Has a coolant pipe leak, will need replacing. Coolant is leaking but not pressurizing as far as we are aware. Does not show any signs of overheating so far. Priced at worst case scenario open mouth smile. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control.